Question number 1, Part A. Mohsin has 600 pear trees and 720 apple trees on his farm. Part first. Write the ratio pear trees to apple trees in its simplest form. Pear trees are 600, ratio apple trees are 720. 600 over 720 is 5/6. This will be 5/6 in simplest form. Part B first. 1 week, the total mass of pears picked was 18,540 kg. For this week, the ratio mass of apples to mass of pears is 13/9. Find the mass of apples picked that week. Let's say the total mass is X and mass of pears was 18,540, which is in ratio is 9. 9 over sum of ratio is 13 plus 9 of X equals 18,540. So X will be equal to 18,540 times 13 plus 9 is 22. 22 over 9. 18,540 multiplied by 22 over 9 is 45,320. This is the total mass of pears and apples. So mass of apples. This is equal to 45,320 minus mass of pears, that is 18,540 minus 18,540 is 26,780. 26,780 kgs. It's part 2. The apples cost Mohsin $0.85 per kilogram to produce. He sells them at a profit of 60%. Work out the selling price per kilogram of the apples. Profit is 60%. This will be 1 plus 60 over 100 of 0.85. 1 plus 60 over 100 of 0.85 is 1.36. So selling price is 1.36 per kg of the apples. Part C. Mohsin export some of his pears to a shop in Belgium. The shop buys the pears at $1.50 per kilogram. The shop sells the pears for 2.30 euros per kilogram. The exchange rate is $1 is 0.92 euros. Calculate the percentage profit per kilogram made by the shop. The shop buys the pears at $1.50 per kilograms. We will convert it into euros. When $1 is 0.92 euros, then $1.50 equals 1.50 times 0.92 euros. 1.50 times 0.92 is 1.38. And we have to calculate percentage profit per kilogram made by the shop. Shop sells the pears for 2.30 euros and shop buys the pears at 1.38 euros. This will be 2.30 minus 1.38 over 1.38 multiplied by 100. 2.30 minus 1.38 over 1.38 multiplied by 100 is 66.67. Percentage profit per kilogram is 66.67%.